Hi folks, AJ the Bartender here. Happy Easter! This week for our Easter special, we're gonna make a blood orange Boston Sour. Now a Boston Sour is a lot like a whiskey sour, with one variation that has egg whites in it. But the blood orange we're gonna add with blood orange, and we have blood orange bitters that I picked up. So it's gonna complement the blood orange with the bitters. Now, whiskey sours were invented by the great Vice Admiral Edward Vernon, and he created this drink to stave off scurvy. So we owe it to him. To create this drink, first I'm going to juice my juices. There's a lot of tools involved in this. So I'm gonna juice 1 lime, and a half a lemon, and a half a blood orange. Now this is where it's fun. The color is just gonna mix with the blood orange and make this drink have its red hue. If you want a deeper red, I would use a full blood orange. We're gonna have a lot of juice here to work with. We're gonna be using about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of this juice. Now I'm gonna pour my alcohol. Today I'm gonna be using Buffalo Trace Kentucky Bourbon, and I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of that. 1 and 2. Then I'm gonna add about 1 ounce, a little less than 1 ounce, of simple syrup. I like this thing. Now I'm gonna strain my juice. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of ice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake. I better not talk while I'm shaking. So I've shaken my juices and my simple syrup and my alcohol. I'm gonna strain that into the glass, but we're not done yet. What I'm gonna do is dump out what's left of there. And now I'm gonna show you what's called a reverse dry shake. A reverse dry shake is just like it sounds. You're going to not use any ice. I'm gonna put my juice in there, and I'm gonna take a regular egg, and I'm gonna put the egg white into the shaker. And then I'm gonna use what's called a shaker ball. This will cut your shaking time in half when using an egg. So we're gonna shake it again. As Vice Admiral Edward Vernon once said, "There she blows." I'm gonna take the rocks glass, I'm going to add ice. Now we strain this, which has the egg inside of it. And the top layer, you're going to see, is going to be all foam. And get all of that foam out. That foam is what you want. It's what you paid for. And now, I'm gonna take some of my bitters, my blood orange bitters, which I've put into this little droplet. I was a little disappointed to see that this doesn't show up that much because it is blood orange bitters in the glass, but I'm going to show you how to design the top of this foam a little better. But I've just added a little blood orange bitters to the top there, and every whiskey sour drink gets a cherry. I'm going to add a maraschino cherry. Now what I can do with this cherry juice is drop little bits of it onto the foam. And then I can take my cocktail spoon and I can swirl the design around. And make a fancy design. It's a delicious drink, I can already tell. It's juicy, it's sour, it's foamy, it's strong, it's got that whiskey, but it's just under everything. And the bitters really lightens it up. Oh, it's a delicious Easter drink. I hope you enjoy. I made a huge mess. It just takes a ton of stuff to make this drink, but it's well worth it. We learned the reverse dry shake, which is excellent for making egg white drinks, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We could add a little blood orange peel to it if we wanted. Cheers. Tasty. Enjoy. Happy Easter. We did the Lord's work today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world. We're just gonna crack an egg. I'm gonna show you the reverse dry shake with a Cadbury egg. I hope you enjoy, folks. Happy Easter.